Hello all. In the previous lesson, what we have learned how you can think of assigning the color map. So in this session, what we have to do is we have to think for how you can think of customizing the Ploty template that you have, how you can think of doing that. So let's have a code walkthrough. So if I say that, okay, let's try to customize that template. So here we have a very interesting parameter. Let me show that where exactly we have. Let me show that. So if I will scroll it to below, if I'm not wrong, I think, yeah, we have a template. Look at this. We have a template. Now, if I will scroll it to below to have an eye on the documentation, what my documentation says. So template is typically a string. It means it receives a value either in the form of a string or a dictionary, or if you want a list of all the templates that my Ploty supports, just go with this, because my Ploty template receives the instance of this. So what I say is I can say, okay, let's play with the template parameter. This is my template parameter. If I say that, okay, let's say I need one of the extremely used template, which is my Ploty dark. Again, there are a couple of templates. But the moment I say, okay, I need a Ploty dark template, and the moment I will execute, look at this. That's how my Ploty dark template actually looks like. Again, there are some folks who extremely like this template, and there are some folks who didn't like that. So that's all about it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep practicing.